Hi guys, RETROCENGO here. On today's video we are going to unbox a Commodore 64 and a VIC-20. Now we have watched a lot of Commodore 64 stuff on this channel. You all know it, guys. But this is different for me. Usually Commodore 64 boxes are like that or that here in Denmark, in Europe, and they, it looks like this, and this is the newer C model, and the 1541 drives looks like oh, this is nice. Yeah, 1541-2, they look like this. But, oh, I think this is brand new, guys. Wait. Just 2 seconds. Oh. Okay. So the reason I'm filming this video is actually this box. I've never seen it. And this box, I've never seen it. These are NTSC boxes. I have never seen them here in Denmark. So if we just unbox this one together. Oh, I haven't seen this either. All new for me. So the C64 user manual, the bread bin model, and the PSU. Now this is for the NTSC, so I can't try it out, but looks nice. And the other one is actually this beautiful box. Now I was maybe 5 years old when I got my first Commodore 64, and whatever happened before that, the VIC-20, I have no knowledge about it. So let's just film this and have it on my YouTube channel. We have got a VIC-20 manual here. Nice. Wow, this one looks beautiful in its color. I don't know if let's try to remove this. Wow. Guys. Such a nice creamy looking color and orange buttons. What does it say down here? Let me see. Made in USA. VIC-20. Yeah, it's an NTSC version. That's why I don't know these boxes. But nice to have it on my channel, guys. And over here we have got, what is all this? This is some sort of TV modulator stuff here. Antenna cables, and hey, I have never seen a PSU like this. Commodore power supply unit. It's a bummer, I can't try it. Our plugs are not like this in Denmark, but this must be the American plugs back in 1980 or something like that. I don't know. Our plugs are like these. Guys, just a short video by unboxing an NTSC Commodore 64 and a VIC-20. I wish I could try it out, but yeah, you know how it is. I want to say thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. I'm actually gonna check this drive out if it works, because it looks nice, really nice. What is this? insert, do not bend. To protect heads, do not close door without inserting disc. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up. If you like what I'm doing on this channel, maybe think about supporting the channel on Patreon. That could be great. Have a great day out there, guys. Bye.